Good morning, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. We're looking at a Bismarck palm here. This is a silver Bismarck. There's also a green Bismarck, which simply means that the fronds, the crown, the head is not silver like this, it's green. Otherwise, it's the same tree. So this is a big old fat Bismarck. It has a trunk height of, I'm gonna say 8, maybe 9 feet. Total height, maybe 18 feet, maybe even 20 feet. But we have these. We have many of these. If you want to put a circle of these around your property, we can do it. We have an unlimited supply. These are great trees. Of course, if you only buy one, you get the one tree price. If you buy quite a few, you're going to get a heavy cut on the price to reflect the quantity. So we love Bismarcks at the Tree Planters. We love to plant them. We love to advise you on how to take care of these and make them look like this one does. So go to our website, thetreeplanters.com, reach out to us from there, and we'll put these in for you tomorrow.